So, Pol Sambol. Let's just take a look at some ingredients here. So we've got some dried fish or Maldives fish, grated coconuts. We've got a coconut like that and ground it out. I'll show you that a bit later. Here we've got some crushed red chilli and fresh green chilli, salt, some lime and some onions. What we're going to do is we're basically going to use this and we're going to just bash the life out of it and get it really going. Absolutely delicious, very, very simple. One of Sri Lanka's most famous delicious dishes. Okay, let's get started. Now traditionally, you'd have a stone, a big stone, rubbed with another big stone as well. I can show you that, we've done that in a video before, but we're going to use this today. So we're going to start off by dropping in our onions and our chili. And then in goes our Maldives fish, our dried fish. And we're going to add a little bit of salt. Now you can adjust this however you want. So simply now, we're going to get working. Okay, so we've got that crushed down quite a bit to a lovely consistency there. Next up, we're going to add the coconut, which is the main ingredient really. And then the crushed chili. I mean, add as much or as little as you like. I'm going to give that a little mix to help it on its way. And then we're going to go back in and we're going to beat it. Okay, so I've been going for like 5 minutes. You really have to kind of work this, but that is delicious. Absolutely wonderful. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get a squeeze of lime in there. And again, as much or as little as you like. And then one final mix on this, or pounding, and we're done. It's absolutely the easiest thing in the world, apart from a little bit of elbow grease, that is, but delicious. And look at that, absolutely wonderful. That is just so easy to make, so delicious. Taste that. Coconut, spicy, the lime cuts right through there. Easy peasy and perfect with everything in Sri Lanka.